I'm Mitch, and for today, I'll be showing you how to make the easy brigadeiro cake. Okay, so no baking, but you need cake crumbs. Okay, so if you have yung mga tinapyasan nyo ng chocolate cake, you can use that. And then you need chocolate ganache. For the recipe, please check my video about chocolate ganache. Nandun yung recipe niya. And then, before that, let's do first the custard. So you have egg yolks, milk, sugar, cornstarch, and then your condensed milk. Okay? Set aside muna natin to. Gawa muna tayo ng custard. Your milk. Si egg yolk. Yan. This recipe is good for at least tatlong 6-inch na round. Then your sugar, and then lastly your condensed milk. Mix mo muna to, and then bago mo i-on yung stove. Okay? Cook this one until thick on medium heat. And cook mo until thick. Kailangan ganyan yung itsura. Okay? Yan. So, once the custard is luto na, let's prepare. Either you can use microwavable para nakikita yung side, or you can use mga foils na may cover. Sorry, na may cover. So, I'm using round one. Around mga 5 to 6 inches to. So, hindi kailangan ubusin si crumbs ha. At least, ma-divide mo lang. Okay? Yan. If you want naman na gusto mo talaga mag-bake here, you can do that. But para dun sa mga maraming tinapyasan ng cake, yan, you can use that. Don't forget to wear gloves. Tapos, press mo konti. If you want na mas makapal, pwede. After the cake, let's put the custard, okay? Kung mas marami kayong gagawin, times 2 nyo na lang yung recipe, okay? O din sobrang dami ha. Kasi nakakaumay din yung ang dami ng custard. Okay. After the custard, lagay natin si chocolate ganache. Okay. Mas maganda kung medyo malambot pa si chocolate ganache. Ito yung mas gusto ko dinadamihan. Yan. Spread the ganache. For the decoration on top, pwede ka gumamit ng caramel flakes or any choco chips. Yan. Or depende sa'yo. Yan. So, there you have it, guys. Our easy brigadeiro cake. Don't forget, mas masarap to kainin after one day na naka-chill. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking! Ito ko, sige. Gusto-gusto ni Ati. Kaya mas hingay-hinay ka, naririnig pa rin ang yung chorba.